spaghetti, macaroni salad, Pinoy pandesal. So ang total nito is 428 pesos and 70 centavos. So tinanggal ko dito yung fruit salad kasi dalawa na yung salad eh. So baka you want isang salad lang. So we still have around 72 pesos left. So dito sa 72 pesos, pwede na po tayong magdagdag ng luncheon meat which is 41 pesos, corned beef which is 34 pesos, which is from the basic necessities and prime commodities naman. So again, this is option number 2. Tapos dito naman sa option number 3, kung you prefer fruit salad and ayaw mo na ng macaroni salad, magiging ang total niya, so you still retain the Christmas ham, the spaghetti, the fruit salad, Pinoy pandesal, ang total naman niya ay 374 pesos and 50 centavos. So meron kang excess na 125 pesos. So with this 125 pesos, pwede na po tayo magdagdag ng other items.